Jai Hind guys. So today I am at Apuna Skoda in Guwahati, and this is the showroom. And as I come down here, you can see there are 4 cars. Itu মই অসমীয়াটো ইমান ভাল নহয় তথাপি মই চেষ্টা কৰি আছো 4টা গাড়ী আছে যেটো ডেমো কাৰ হয় and they are put on sale. Now all these cars are in a good condition according to the dealership, and they are coming in a very attractive price point. So if you can see, this is a Monte Carlo edition of Kushaq, and this is 1 liter manual, and this cost only 11.50 lakhs. For further on these things, we have Mr. Syed from Apuna Skoda. So Syed sir ko.
Yes.
Apuni-
Sir, like we have got some demo vehicles out here.
Okay.
Like there are 4 vehicles. And that is like the second model.
This is the
That is
second.
the second model. Okay, sir. And it has run only 2,315 kilometer.
Right.
2,315 kilometer.
This
And
is
it's
Slavia.
1 liter turbo. And we have quoted a price of 13 lakhs.
Right.
And those person who will purchase this vehicle, he will become the first owner actually. He'll be the first owner.
Okay. And what is the showroom price today?
Showroom of this vehicle is around like 16 lakhs.
Okay, so you are getting a
In 13
16 lakhs vehicle
In 13 lakhs.
in 13 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Only the thing is this, it has run only 2,315 kilometers. The
Right,
manufacturing year is 2023. It's an 1 liter ambition.
Ambition.
Okay. So next
And
comes
next is sir Monte
wow,
Carlo.
this is beautiful.
It's Kushaq Monte Carlo and it's the top model, sir.
Right.
Top model, and it has run only 35,000 kilometer. Okay, sir. And the price is 11,50,000.
Fantastic. What is the
and the actual
showroom
price of this
Huh.
vehicle is 21 lakhs on road.
21 lakhs
Lakhs
on road.
on road, yes.
Okay, but this is an on road price or this is
This is the selling price now, sir. At present.
okay, on top of it they will have to pay the insurance.
No, sir, nothing.
No insurance.
No, nothing. Everything is included in 11,50,000.
Only the registration.
Yes. No, nothing.
Nothing?
Registration is already done.
Okay, so that's a great deal, man. Arey. But what about the warranty?
Warranty, sir, suppose if this vehicle, we have got a 4 years warranty, sir.
Right.
And since this vehicle is manufactured in 2022,
Uh-huh.
so we have got another 2 years warranty.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay. So there is a company given
Company
warranty.
given warranty.
But what about the extended warranty?
Extended warranty, sir, if suppose you want to purchase the extended warranty,
Uh-huh.
then we will give you the extended warranty if you want to purchase it. That is separate cost.
Okay, so it has run about 35,000
35,000 Yes.
kilometers.
Right.
But there is not a big issue. There's still a good deal, I guess.
Yes, sir, 100%. Because it's 21 lakhs, you are getting around 10 lakhs discount, sir. 10
Right,
lakhs.
Right.
In these 2 years.
Yeah. So any body scratch,
Nothing, sir, nothing. All are
everything is okay.
in a good condition, yes.
In a good condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the third car?
Yeah, third one is like this is the top model of Slavia.
Okay.
Top model of Slavia style.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir. And this is 2022 model.
Yeah.
2022 model, and the selling price is 11 lakhs.
Okay. And this has run 23,189
23,182 kilometers.
kilometers.
Yes.
23,189 kilometers. And the total cost for this is 11 lakhs. This is the top model of
Top model
Slavia.
of Slavia style.
1 liter
1 liter turbo.
turbo.
Yes.
Okay. So you don't have to spend
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
anything
All is included.
above this.
Transfer and all
Right.
insurance, everything is included.
Everything is included.
Everything is included.
Okay.
And
So-
the next one is, sir,
Ah,
this is Ambition, second top model of Slavia.
right.
Okay, sir. And this is 2023 model,
Right.
and it has run only 2,775 kilometer.
Okay. And-
And the selling price is 13,50,000,
Okay.
which is included with registration and plus insurance.
Fantastic. For the new vehicle, I mean
Ah.
not a demo vehicle,
Okay, sir.
what will be the price of that?
It comes around 17 lakhs 28,000 something, sir.
So against 17 lakhs plus, you are getting a vehicle which has run for 2,775 and
With owner registration, first owner registration and insurance, everything included with this 13,50,000.
so registration, insurance, etc. Everything
Everything is
are
included.
included in this model.
Yes, sir.
in these models, all the 4 models.
Yes, sir.
These are displayed in the
Front of our showroom.
front of the showroom of Apuna Skoda,
Yes, sir.
which is in Khanapara. Is it Khanapara?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Khanapara area.
Balughat.
Khanapara, Balughat. So,
Just opposite to Hindustan Tower.
okay. Opposite to Hindustan
Hindustan
Tower.
Tower.
Okay. So, आप लोग का अगर मतलब इंग्लिश में थोड़ा सा ये मुश्किल होता है तो मैं हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ कि ये 4 डेमो कार है यहाँ पे जो बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव प्राइस पॉइंट पे कंपनी ने रखा है फॉर एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड टू बाई। तो इसका जो डिटेल्स है वो वहाँ पे देख लीजिएगा। मेरा यहाँ में जो वीडियो में दिया हुआ है, द प्राइस दिया हुआ है, एंड दिस जो प्राइसेस है वो सब इंक्लूसिव है। आपको एक पैसा नया पैसे का खर्चा नहीं चाहिए, ना रजिस्ट्रेशन ना इंश्योरेंस। तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा ये है और ये डीलर से मिल रहा है आपको विथ ऑल द वारंटी एंड एवरीथिंग।
Yes, sir. We will be giving a one free service. One free service at a time of delivery.
One free service
At the time of delivery.
and service interval is 1 year,
1 year.
unlike
One
other
year.
cars.
Yes, sir.
दूसरा गाड़ी खरीदोगे
हम लोग जो पहले
हाँ।
जो सर्विसिंग है वो हम लोग करके देंगे।
पहले सर्विसिंग आप करके दोगे। अच्छा, बढ़िया है। तो देखो ये तो एक सर्विसिंग का जो फंडा है स्कोडा और वॉक्सवैगन कार में वो है 15,000 किलोमीटर्स और 1 year, whichever is earlier. So unlike other cars where you have to take the car every 6 months to the service center and spend money on that. And on top of it, if you are buying this, I will request you to go for the extended warranty package, which will be covering you for another 2 years. जो भी मिलता है। Anyway, this is what I wanted to bring to you. आप लोग का अपना लोग के साइड ले। तो thank you guys. I hope it will be of help to you. And thank you very much. I will give contact number of Mr. Sayed,
Yeah.
which will be flashing in the screen.
Right.
So you can contact him and talk to him and come over here and inspect the cars. Thank you guys. Love you all. All the best. Bye bye. Signing off, Eddie Roy.